Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn image into video. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. In today's digital era, the development of artificial intelligence AI technology is increasingly rapid and offers various convenience in content creation. One of the latest innovation in this field is the ability to convert photos into videos uh, with help of AI. So now, what if you want to convert photos into videos? It's so simple. So first, you can just open Google or Chrome. You can open your browser, and in here you can just type Pixverse AI. This one. Now you can just open it. You can create. You can tap on here to add the image. I will choose this one. We'll upload this image and you can describe the prompt for the image. Maybe like this. Here's the prompt. After that, you can just tap on create. Now we can just wait until it finish, until this website finish generating our video. And here we go. Here's the result of your uh, AI video. It's so cool, right? You can download it to save it on your gallery. If you want to remove the watermark, you can just upgrade this big verse into premium. But we'll just like this, so it will download to your gallery. It's a simple, right? So that is how to convert image into video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.